Welcome to RC4 Wireless, and in today's video we're going to discuss the new micro XBs and channel selection. As of filming this video, the micro XBs must be locked into a single channel. This will be resolved in a future firmware update. In order to set your channel selection, you're going to need an X-Stick and a computer with RC4 Commander software on it. Once you've plugged your X-Stick into your computer, you can go ahead and open up the Commander software. We're going to run the Setup Wizard, click Next, and you're going to select your dongle. Hit Next again. Now you need to load your IDs onto your X-Stick. I've already loaded my IDs on, so I don't need to worry about it. But if you don't have your IDs, go ahead and go to RC4 Wireless's website, go to Support, and request your ID file. I'm going to hit Next, and Manually Select Channel. The micros will come with a default channel setting of 12. So we want to make sure our X-Stick is also set to channel 12. I'm going to hit Next. While Commander's preparing your X-Stick, make sure that you have unplugged the data to your DMX-IO. The first thing that we're going to want to do is go select our DMX-IO. We're going to go up to the RF Platform and Security tab, and we're going to click on every channel that we do not want. If the numbers are grayed out, the DMX-IO is not allowed to use those channels. We're going to go down to our DMX-PIX micro, just to double check that it is currently using channel 12. So now that we've locked in our DMX-IO to channel 12, our DMX-PIX is also looking for channel 12, they'll be able to communicate. And the great thing is you only need to set the manual channel selection for your DMX-IO and your micros. All of your other units can stay on automatic channel selection, and they'll be able to find your DMX-IO. For example, my lamppost, which is currently using a DMX2 DIM. I can leave it with automatic channel selection, and it will find channel 12, which is currently being broadcast by DMX-IO. Once you've finished all your changes, go ahead and close Commander, unplug your X-Stick, plug the data back into your DMX-IO, and then cycle the power on all your devices. After that, you should be good to go. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.